Good morning, this is Viv.JC. Today I'm gonna do hair color. I'm gonna use this Mint Ash by Liz or Lies. I would say this brand is reliable. It is. I've been using it for many times. This is a previous color, the marshmallow milk tea or something like that. You can check this out. So I actually got two today. I have platinum beige and mint ash. However, I'm just gonna try one color. This is the one with the greenish type, ashy. So yeah, and they provide glows in pairs. And then they have just two bottles, number one, and then you put into number two, and then you just do like this. Don't have to shake it off, alright? Just up and down, up and down. And if you're a little bit lazy, people like me, okay, I'm not really lazy, it's just that, you know, I have thick hair and long hair, used to be, or even now. I usually wash my hair alternate days. So that means one day you wash, the next day you don't wash, and then the next day you wash. Okay, in fact, if you so you could actually use this product directly already. You don't have to do anything, just dump it all in, and then you know, and magic happens. But in case if you wash your hair today, you need to wash it today, like now, you just shampoo it enough. No need to use conditioner or whatsoever. Just shampoo it, rinse it off, blow dry, like super dry. Okay, super dry. Alright, super dry, so that, you know, your color does not go away or fade off, or, you know, if you're too wet, it doesn't work. In fact, if you wash your hair every day, you're probably gonna spoil your hair, okay? Just a quick tip for you. Also, remember to comb your hair so that it doesn't have any, you know, crumbs or whatsoever. See, so pretty. Alright, I'm just kidding. Alright, make sure you comb your hair first so that, you know, it's easier to put it on. And now you are gonna start from the root, okay? Make sure you dye your color, like, you know, start from the root, because root is always the one that is gonna take the longest time to absorb color in, alright? Then from the root, then you slowly go section down, okay? And in case if you don't want to do the end part here, it's fine by me or fine by you, or whichever it is. Just yeah, just get all these preparations done, and then time to get nasty. Alright, so a quick tip here. Now, how you're gonna do this? You don't pour like this, okay? You just press, and then this thing will come out. See, magic, and then you dab on it like that, okay? Like this. Do your root, okay? Just like you wash hair or something. Just be gentle, okay? I'm just being a bit dramatic, but you usually just be gentle like this. And then the foam will start to fill up everything, and then you're gonna do a massage later on. Okay, I'm gonna get going, okay? See you later. Alright, people, so this is the color.
It's very ugly.
No, it's not. It's very nice, and I love it. So yeah, you can actually see the greenish thingy, the ashy greenish color. Alright, last tip but not least. When you do your coloring, normally the paper, it says you have to leave it for like half an hour. Personally, I would suggest you can leave it for like 45 minutes or 1 hour, so that, you know, the color actually stays more. I would say it absorbs more, so the color actually look better in result. But of course, it depends on the sensitivity of your scalp, so you have to make sure, you know, whether you're good for that or not, okay? So that's it. Yeah, then after that, rinse it off. You can, you know, put conditioners or hair masks, then, you know, get it done. Do whatever as you normally do to your hair. Okay, so I hope this video helps you in many ways, especially makes your life easier and prettier, and of course, have fun. Viv.JC signing off.